Welcome everyone to the June edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name's John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and this month we have a lot going on inside the newsletter. Obviously May was a crazy month in the stock market and bond market, a lot of things going on, and then what we're seeing just at a household level, right? Rising food prices, rising gasoline prices. So a lot of uncertainty in the financial markets. They just don't like uncertainty. So we're seeing some real negative returns this year. But if you've been an investor for the long haul, the last 3 years were fantastic. So we're getting a little negative this year. But in this month's newsletter, I want to draw a couple things that are important to you guys as railroaders, right? So my first whiteboard of the video of the month, which really took off, was entitled "Not Making Your 30 Years for Railroad Retirement." Really important video for those railroaders not making their 30 years, understanding the reductions or slash deductions by leaving before your full retirement age. All right, what does that look like? Check out that video. Really important video. It was almost about 7 times my average views on that video, so it was really great. Then my mailbag of the month was, will I have my 30 years? I have my 30 years, I should say. Will I have my railroad retirement? Right? Really dispels that myth once again. I'm leaving the railroad. Do I get my railroad retirement, right? Because I might go work another job or do something else. So that video goes through that. I have a very good checklist this month of what issues you should consider regarding your employee benefits, right? Your employer is offering you certain benefits, medical, disability, health insurance, all those things. Go through that checklist. Make sure you're taking advantage of all those benefits, covering your family for any uncertainty. So very important. And then finally, I have a good economic flow chart, or a chart on the bond market, right? So a lot of people, when you're filling out your 401k, you're like, I'll do some stocks and some bonds. Well, this year, the bond market is down to date almost 10%. It's the worst performing bond market period since 1926. So I just want to make you aware of that. Just because somebody says I'm invested in bonds, it doesn't necessarily mean there's no risk involved. So take a look at that, understand that. Also understand how they react following down sequences. That's good stuff. So everyone, please share this newsletter with other railroaders. We'll get some more subscribers to it. And feel free to reach out to me. I do that boarding for railroad retirement process for those railroaders nearing retirement. Really good stuff to understand what your railroad retirement looks like, especially in these uncertain times of the market. Good information to have, help you sleep a little bit better at night, that's for sure. So until next month, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.